भाजपा आमदार निलेश काब्राल आणि प्रमोद सावंतान दिल्लीच्या आमदाराचेर आरोप करपा बदला भाजपा पक्षान केल्ल्या भ्रष्टाचाराचेर नदर मारून त्या विशयाचेर भासाभास करपाची तयारी दाखोवची अशें आवाहन आप पक्षाचे ऑस्कर रिबेलो हांणी केला। मंगळारा आम आदमी पक्षाची बसका जाली। आप पक्ष येवपी वेंचणुकेंत 40 मतदारसंघांत वेंचणुको लडोवप इच्छुक आसा। देखून ह्या विशीं बसका घेवन ते आप वावुरप्या कडल्यान तांचे मत जाणून घेतले। RTX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकर।
BJP Sapli and Dr. Pramod Sawant and I think Mr. Nilesh Kabral wanted to have a debate with the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. Frankly, a debating culture which is alien to the BJP. Aap Goa would like to remind the BJP that the issues of garbage, rampant availability of drugs, which even the Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parshikar himself has admitted, the deteriorating law and order situation and the astronomical levels of corruption unseen since the liberation of Goa under the BJP dispensation are not matters for debate, but they are absolute positions of fact that is plain to the naked eye and the people of Goa are witnessing. But besides debates, Aap Goa is holding a sincere exercise of dialogue with the people of Goa to understand and find solutions to these states' problems. The days of deception, dictation, and dangerous alliances with the corrupt lobbies, first by the Congress and now by the BJP, are well and truly over for the Goans. And for Aap Goa, governance is a two-way street, not a one-way dictation.
As we had already announced that we will be fighting all 40 candidates and beating all 40 candidates in Goa. So we will be starting that process very soon. I just wanted to explain our processes to all of you, so that there is no question later on that what and how things will be done. We will be starting this process somewhere next week or so, last week of August. It will be happening in multiple phases. So it would be specifically our process is very much it starts with our volunteers and workers. The first step is that there will be a meeting which will be held in the constituencies under observer. So this observer will be provided by the party, and under that observer's view, a meeting will be called in a constituency, and then all the active volunteers would be present in that meeting.